Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about deleting cookies and other site data on the Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and select the hamburger menu icon up in the top right, and then go down and select Settings near the bottom of the list. Select Privacy and Security on the left panel, and underneath Privacy and Security, there should be a Delete Browsing Data button in here. Go ahead and select that. So if you want to just delete site data as well as cookies, you can just select those two instead of deleting the browser history if you don't want to delete that. So you can delete cookies and cache images and files. You can customize your options in here. And the time range, you can click on the drop down and select anywhere from the last hour to all time. And that is all you have to do. And then you would select delete data. You'd have to restart the browser and you're good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.